Welcome to YouTube family. In this video today we will generate the AI avatar with the ChatGPT and AI Studio. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the button if you really feel this content is useful. We will generate it in the two simple steps. So moving on, the first step is this, that we will create an account at an AI Studio. It's a free of cost platform. You no need to pay any subscription. We will create the account with the Google, and then we would press the button create a video. Here we would go to the step number 2, ChatGPT, and at the ChatGPT we would give the instructions that how to manage the stress, or you can give any command. Then we will select our template. Here I would go to the second one and press create your free video. Now the AI Studio is generating the video for me, and I am creating it in pretty simple steps. So now here I want to change my avatar. The presentation is already ready. Let's suppose I am going to select this. Now I am going to do the basic editing. If I want to change anything in the slide, if I want to change the stress, for instance, I don't want to write it that what is stress, then I would backspace and edit it. Why the people have stress, so I can change to the editing as wherever I want to drag this text. Moving on, I can change the background even if I want, and it's very simple. If I want to add anything more, for instance, I want to add any image, I want to add like how to do the meditation, and for that I am going to add any image. I can add, at the moment I believe we can choose this one. Just drag and drop. It's pretty simple, but right now I don't want to add any meditation, I want to add any stress, so I would change this image. I am also doing the editing of my page as per my requirement. Now I would go to the images and will again change the image, and I will write here stress. So I would simply drag and drop, and my new image is over there. If I want to add anything, I want to add any new more slide, I can even do this. Now I'm going to change my background, and here I have added a new slide as well. If I want to add any image like for yoga meditation, I can add any image. Simply drag and drop and do its adjustment as per your requirement. We have very great features in this AI Studio. We can change the avatar, background, audio, like I want to select any kind of music, so I can select it. It's loaded. Great. Okay, now I have added the music as well if I want to add. Moving on, there are the very simple things I can add if I want to change any new avatar. Like, let me check this one. No, I think I should go to the previous one. It allows me to add any kind of a text over here. So I would go to the ChatGPT and would give the command that write the few benefits of yoga, and the ChatGPT is generating the text for me, so I no need to get worried about it. I would simply add it over there. And now I can change any language in which I want: Chinese, German, Filipino, Japanese, Hindi, but at the moment we are choosing the English. Now I'm going to generate my video. Here, my video is ready. I can simply download it and I would play it as well. If I want to do any kind of editing, no, it's ready to go, and I'm gonna download it now.
Yoga is known for its numerous health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety. This yoga flow for stress relief. Child's pose is a gentle resting pose that helps to release tension in the back, neck, and shoulders.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section.